Menteri Rangba Barem Kajala Dr. Mukul Sangma ulabu jingkali ki MLA ki belatrau banlej esok syaka parti ke badan hakaliang sensyar. Lada kamdan ke Jingphon ne Jingpin biet dang syan laingut ki MLA ke Kongres ki lelej esok no syaka NPP. Syuaya kene argut ki MLA ke PDF ki lelej esok no syaka NPP. Habakren mentakasngi arplai terik unailar arajar arpsau Dr. Mukul ulak kubur ke Jingkren uba Vincent H. Pala ubla keno ke NPP baka pendankam taka pisa bean bantiet iki MLA. Dr. Mukul uloong baka parti ke badan hakabor kadai ban pensyai halor kani ke jingkeno u presiden ke MPCC namar baka long ke bashir khai shisha lem kumta ki pat ba kinkili hato kile shishai kani ke kambean ke belabu jingma ya ke jala. Uloong baka Sorkar kamdai ban le ran ban tieng ne ban ri ban pensyai ya kani ke jingsha keno ke bashir khai. Dr. Mukul ulak keno bagi kambean ki bajelai hakasor shalong bat ki bakwa banlap ya kajing sha kinit petang hakandai lat kili ki kambean. Uloong bagi bale ika kambean ki shlur kadai na kajing dan kajing kershan napo. Uloong baka dan kajing keno baka ni Sorkar ka kamay pisa bean na udrok bean na udawyong bean bat ni kam kontrak da kabayashna hapdeng ki brio ki badan hakabor.
Whatever inputs I am getting, you go to Police Bazaar in the evening, you go. I am told, I am asked to go and see. Go anywhere in different parts of Shillong. You will see what kinds of illegalities are happening, and it is happening right in this capital city. Is it something which really which can happen with such an impunity unless there is some patronage? Therefore, as these allegations have come, the government and the leadership must come clean on this. And I urge an investigation on these fronts. There are 3 allegations. 3. One is on illegal money coming from alleged illegal money coming from drug. Another one is alleged illegal money coming from illegal mining, and another one manipulation of contract work. So, if these 3 allegations have come, and therefore there is a need, the House should discuss it. Yeah, the House should discuss it. Trust and confidence on my members. I think we have demonstrated that earlier also in the past. You see, you have to understand another angle. Now, well, with no intent to offend anybody, but it is also important for every party to ensure that their members stay, as committed members of the party with a collective resolve to fulfill the vested responsibilities. Now, unfortunately, what has happened, probably, it can be attributed to the party itself also. There must have been some Cold War going on for a reasonable period of time, resulting in this showdown. So there are many factors that you'll have to find out, and then it is not my job to ask the Congress leadership, but I have every reason to believe, because I know all of them. They were part and parcel of my party when I was in the Grand Old Party prior to merging with TMC. Now please understand here the different thing. Pre-2023, when we marched into 2021, we have marched to a new political party with an intent to give an alternative political platform, not with an intent to be in power prior to election, so that we can go to the people, provide this alternative political platform. So that is the difference. But the instant cases are completely to be part of the government, the desperation to be in power. Now, I don't find any reason why MLA should be so desperate to be part of the ruling dispensation unless there are some instances of inducement. Now, you have to pick up one very crucial, important part of the statement of the Congress President, Pradesh Congress President. he has been blunt in saying that the party in the current ruling dispensation have engaged in poaching through inducement by using whatever money they have been alleged of. So now the leadership of the present political dispensation in power must come clean on this. Yeah, they must come clean. Therefore, the people have to ask them, are you really engaging in these illegalities? Something which is of a great concern for the state and the people. If there are reasons to believe that illegal monies are being used, then where are these illegal monies coming from? And the illegal monies from what? So that means the people have to ask questions. The government has to come clean on this. They cannot just keep quiet. They cannot just shy away. It's a very, very serious allegation. Because if the allegations are true, then you can understand what kind of future we are going to see unfolding in the coming years.